Okay, I think the last thing that was shown was the dominoes. Little chips to like the little board game, like little checkers or something. I'm not sure what I can use with these. I'm not positive, but I'll try to figure it out. This glitter. Oh, it's glitter. Almost a diamond dust, but I know diamond dust looks like little shards of glass and stuff. Yeah, this is like iridescent glitter. Thank you, Stephanie. Sharing your laces with me. A lot of people got some really cool laces. It's funny, I haven't seen any two alike really yet. Oh, wow. How cool. Gosh, excuse my hands, you guys are so dirty. These nice. These is nice. Oh, this is pretty. I like that. I like that when it looks crocheted like that. I like that. Oh, this is wired. Hey, cool. Thank you. That's cool. Feels so delicate. Like it can tear real easy. Oh well, God, this one looks like it can tear. Wow, it's so tiny, tiny. Nice. You hit the jackpot with that estate, and I'm still thinking that's where you got a lot of this. I think it is, huh? This is really pretty. Thank you, Stephanie, for sharing this with me. Thank you so much. I like this. I like the little, when it's rippled like that. Or gathered. Oh, this is nice. Thank you. There's a lot of fibers and yarn and stuff in here. Thank you, Stephanie. I like the chunks of wool like that. That's nice. I'm not going to take them all out. I'm running out of time already. Oh, thank you so much for the fibers. Pom-poms. Thank you. I like that black. Nice. Thank you so much. Give me some of these petals to make flowers. I like these. I worked with those before. I like that. Oh, wow. This is cute. Look at that. The little teddy bears. Purple and yellow and blue. That's really, really pretty. And oh, I like these really thin ones too. Little skinny ones. Look at that. Pretty colors. Nice Easter colors. Loving the rickrack too. I like rickrack. Some more ribbon. Ooh, pretty little design on there. Look at the purple with the green. That's cool. This is like a mesh. Wow, that's pretty. Oh my gosh. There's the same ones in there. And then the same ribbon. That's nice. I like these. You can make those flowers that Amy's mom's making. The ribbons and stuff. Thank you so much. Ooh, it's pretty. Nice. Thank you, Stephanie, so much. You really hooked me up, girl. Thank you so much. I don't know what to say. I just appreciate every single thing, every effort you put into every single flower. I really appreciate it. Thanks you guys for watching. Steph, I'll get your stuff out as soon as I can, okay? Thank you so much for being patient. All right, you guys. Talk to you later. Bye.